No, that's not what I'm talking about. What else do you see? Yay! Beautiful Saturday. It's raining. The parking lot's flooded. It's a nasty day. An idea. I think what we're going to do today is put the mirrors on the Bronco, or the Centurion, if you will. I will. Will you? So I guess what we're going to do today is do the mirror conversion on the Centurion. Let me show you what we're going to be using. So we're going to be starting with our 93 Ford C350 Centurion conversion. Not really much else to say. It's a Centurion. So we picked up these brackets online from a company called 5280 Custom Fab. I've paid about $35 for these, I think, with shipping. They seem to be pretty good quality. They have some other pretty good looking stuff on their website. However, I do notice I think I'm going to have to drill these holes out a little bit bigger. The reason being, I haven't opened this one yet. I already opened the driver's side. These are the mirrors that I ordered. I ordered these off of Amazon. I think I paid $150 for them. But they've packaged them well. They come with the bolts, as you can see down there. Check this out. I'll take a gander at it. Here, a message from our sponsors. Say hello to the wall. Nice. So we've got corner lights. I opted for the smoked lights, the blinkers, clearance lights, whatever the hell they are, I don't know. It's got lights here, it's got lights in here, they're heated, they're power. I don't know if I'm going to hook all that up. That's what we're going to be starting with today. Now, follow me over here and let me show you what we're going to be using for tools. So I have my cart set up. Pretty much, this is my everyday battle cart. I have a light on it. It's got full power over here where I can plug my phone in, charge my phone. I've got different shelves down here to put stuff on. Oh, y'all know what those are? Yeah, that's my winch cable money right there. Alright, so anyway, we're going to be using a screwdriver, a 7mm, and a 7/16 to start off with right now. First thing we're going to do is remove the door panel so that I can remove the vent window and the passenger side window as well. That way I can properly fit my brackets, and when I weld them in, we won't have to worry about melting any rubber. I've got a really cool idea for closing these up also, or for utilizing them, but we're gonna have to check that out at another date and time, or it could be date time. Put it off. Let's use this one. Put everything back the way the factory designed it to be. See what happens. So one thing I did forget about, but it was in the back of my mind, I knew that somewhere on this wing window there was a hidden screw. Just from memory. They're actually back here. You got two Phillips head screws back here. Of course, pull out your... Might have to remove the window. Stop trying to be lazy, George. Very careful about scratching my window tint on the window. Actually was able to remove the vent window simply without removing the window itself. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Ford OBS wing window, vent window. I love cars with vent windows. I mean, come on. So So anyway, we know it was the 1 bolt, the 2 at the top. Remove the trim, roll the window all the way down, and just pull it out. You got to bring it up and twist it inside the door so this clears, and it comes right out. And again, I was easily able to do it without scratching my window tint, which I just had installed. Now I want to show you something else while I have these 2 old trucks in here. One thing I noticed is I don't have a lot of memory on my phone, so this kind of stinks, but I'm trying to find proper fitment for where I want to put these at. I don't know if I should go inside or a little outside, but I do know that I got to drill the holes a little bit bigger. So if you follow me over here to the drill press, dungeon drill press, I'm going to get set up right here to drill some holes. Alright, I jumped my step up one size bigger on my bit. I guess they drilled them off center. When they made the bracket. That's kind of not really a big deal. One thing I wanted to show you earlier before my phone died, I'm going to point this out really quick, just a little bit. Here we have the OBS body style, here we have the bullnose. On these vent windows, they did an upgrade when they switched over. See how that vent window, the corner glass goes all the way, versus this one, how the corner glass is squared off. And then they filled it in with rubber. A little tidbit of information there. All right, now that I've got the holes drilled out and that side's pretty much taken apart, I'm gonna go ahead and break this side down too. It's pouring down rain outside, and I just want to go ahead and have both sides ready, so when I get everything mocked up, I can lay some dimes. But well, maybe not me, someone will do it. Alright, so we got our area prepped. We still have a little bit of prepping to do to the pieces to get them to fit more properly than they are, which is no big problem. But that's where we're at right now. I got everything prepped and cleaned up. Everything is ready to weld. I got Scott test fitting the pieces now as we speak and getting his machine dialed in. And here in a few seconds, we're going to get ready to stack some dimes. Maybe, but it just sounds good, so we're going to go with it. Alright, well, in a minute the Bronco's gonna have mirror brackets. Alright. Beam footage. Yeah. I just realized bleeding my elbow. Oh wow, that's pretty gnarly. Wow. I had no idea I was even bleeding. But that's what happens when you go to the shop. Awesome. Alright, so we got the mirrors brackets put on. They're not totally done yet, but
Oh, I just noticed them. Oh my god, they're cool.
There they are. They're cool. They're all right. They're better than what was there.
Nothing.
But Everything's fitting pretty good. I still have, there's a piece of foam that goes in between here that'll fill that gap in. Also, you can see where I cut the screws.
They look nice on here.
So here shortly I'll put the truck in the garage, and probably tomorrow I'll finish the windows. And what do you think?
I like it. Awesome. I like
Cool.
it too.